Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to download games from Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find it using ZTE Axon 20. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and actually try to find a game like Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's a game right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to your settings, enter family, then parental controls. Now you can enter either apps and games or disable parental controls entirely. In this case, let's go for apps and games. Click on OK and increase PG to at least 16 or 18. Now go back and look for the game again, Call of Duty, and it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.